Each year, a nationally recognized publication conducts its survey of America's best graduate professional schools. An academic advisor wants to predict the typical starting salary of a graduate at a top business school using the GMAT score of the business school as a predictor variable. The total GMAT scores range from 200 to 800, and a least squares regression line of salary versus GMAT using 25 data points shown below. Give a practical interpretation of B1 equals 228. So there's an sort of an important part missing here that will help. Recall that the formula or the form of the equation is y hat equals B1x plus B0. So that B1 is the slope. So if that is the slope, then it might help to write this out with our word variables instead of x's and y's, right? So our x is the GMAT score, and the salary is going to be my y. So we would have a typical starting salary, hat, equals 228 GMAT plus, or in this case, minus 92,040. Now, it's a little bit easier for me mentally to figure out what is that slope telling me. Okay, again, we are trying to interpret the slope, the 228. So for each, in my brain, I find it easier to go ahead and interpret it first and then look at the choices. So for every 1 unit increase or 1 point increase in GMAT, the typical starting salary should increase by $228 on average. So let's see what we have here. Definitely not A. We estimate the salary to increase 228 for every 1 point increase. That one looks like the best one. The GMAT is not going to increase based on salary. Right? We're trying to use GMAT to predict what the salary is. And nope, looks like we're good. Hope that helps.